Hi, so I just wanted to share this video. This kind of has to do with this week's assignment. And just a setup you can maybe do at home to build it and test it out. Something to play around with. I made these plates just out of aluminum foil and I just wrapped them around a piece of metal. Well, it is magnetic, so we'll see if that works. So I have two plates here. I have a power supply, but you could just use a battery, like even a 1.5 volt battery, if you have something a little bit bigger. Kind of like the video I shared. I'm going to hook these up and see what happens. So this black one's the negative one, the red one's the positive. And then I have magnets there. I did two sets just because I had them, and I wondered if that would actually affect what happens. I'm going to turn on the voltage. It's cranked right up. Okay. I don't know. There's definitely some electricity going there. I'm gonna put some pepper there, see if it's moving. I wonder if I change the current. So there's salt water in the water here. So I put salt water in here. So I have charged particles, external. Yeah, okay. So I think my problem is the magnets. So if I think about hand rules, okay, if I have so here's the chloride ions going that way. The magnetic field is that way. That means the movement of them is going to be down. So that doesn't really work, does it? So, oh, it's a little tingly on the hands for some reason. Ouch. Okay, I'm gonna take these back. Oh. Okay. Oh. It's electrocuting me. Okay, maybe if I take this one. Okay, so this is kind of just like it. If I put it in like that. Now let's see what happens. Okay, if I put some pepper here. In here. Okay, so now I start to see something, I think. So I have charges moving. So now I have a horseshoe magnet. That makes a little bit more sense because I have charges. So charges, maybe the chloride ions are going that way. The external field is down, north to south. And then we're left with kind of that circular motion. Maybe if I go food coloring, I can see. Oh, that went in a little heavy. See which way it goes through the magnet there. And then if I crank up the current, what happens? It's really reacting. I feel like you can definitely see in here. I don't know if you can, maybe I zoom in. You can maybe see, so inside the magnet there's a lot of movement actually going on. It's actually accelerating pretty fast. You can kind of see those bubbles. I think if I had a really strong magnet just underneath, it would work just as good. But you can definitely see it's accelerating. So there's a force there. It kind of looks like it's getting sucked in, all that pepper, which is kind of cool. So that's kind of something you can just build at home. Just kind of neat.